Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Ray-Ban Wayfarer with Meta eyeglasses. So this is going to be a 1 month review video. So let's get into it and let me show you how these glasses look and all the cool features that it has. This is the Wayfarer shape. So you can see it has the classic thick plastic frames in the bottom with the saddle nose bridge. So here, right here is your camera right here, and this one is where the light turns on when you start filming. Okay, so let's open it up. So on the inside, right under the nose, that's where you charge it. On top here, this is where you take the picture. If you short press it, if you long press it, it will start the video. Here is a speaker on both sides. This is how you turn it on and off. This has a heavy duty hinge to open and close it. So this is made very well, very durable. So it has speakers on the bottom. I also like how you're able to listen to music here, take phone calls, and you're also able to put your own prescription in here also. So this is your charging case. So it charges with the USB-C charger. This is a light right here. When you open it, bring the cleaning cloth, and then here is your charging port for the glasses. So when you're not using it, you put it in here, and then it charges it for you. Okay. So the battery life for the glasses when you're wearing them is about 4 hours. The case itself holds a charge for about 3 days. Another benefit with these glasses is that these are the transition lenses. So this is the graphite green color. So when you're outside in the sun, the color will get to a darker shade, and then when you're back inside, they get clear again. And they have the anti-reflective coating on here, so this helps for nighttime driving, for the computer wear, and even reading inside with the ambient lighting. So this reduces the eye strain also. So this is the same as the Wayfarer, however this is a different shape. This is more of a cat eye shape, so it has the same functions as the Wayfarer style. You can see the quality of the video recording here. This is nighttime and everything looks crisp and clear, and you will not miss an event once you start the video recording here. So the video quality for these Ray-Ban Metas are incredible. It tracks all the movement. So this is the heart of the system. This is where you start and you can ask Meta any questions. Here is where you check your battery levels. This is the live translations. You could translate Spanish, French, and there's more to come. This is where you import and store your pictures and your videos. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great eyeglasses to have if you want to have Meta inside your eyeglasses. I love how this has the classic Ray-Ban Wayfarer look to it. I like the weight and the feel of the glasses. I also like how the battery life is a decent amount of time. I like how it has the transition lenses on here, so you don't have to take these off to put on your sunglasses. And I also like how it comes with the built-in anti-reflective coating also. So these are great eyeglasses to have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.